Warning, this is a very cheesy video for Mr. Young's eyes only. Subtitles fly out very fast. Watch with caution. Enjoy. Macromolecules are sets of big molecules that help us maintain a balanced internal environment. There are 4 types of macromolecules: carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. Macromolecules are organic molecules because they are carbon-based. They are repeating building blocks to form a big structure. Single building blocks are monomers, and a combination of them are called polymers. Carbohydrates are made of sugar molecules. Glucose is a sugar molecule in plants and animals. This is the diagram of a glucose chain. It is compiled of 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms, and 6 oxygen atoms. Plants and animals. A single sugar molecule is a monosaccharide. 2 or more are called polysaccharides. Chains of glucose form polysaccharides such as cellulose in plants and glycogen in animals. Cellulose provides structure in plants. Animals break down glycogen to use as energy. It is also used as an energy storage. Starch is another polysaccharide and is used as energy storage. For example, eating potatoes breaks its starch into monosaccharides. These are all examples of polysaccharides formed where glucose chains are linked together. They differ on how the glucose molecules link together in their chemical position. Lipids are the fats in our bodies and are not really polymers. Glycerol, the fat monomer, is combined with 3 fatty chains to form a fat molecule. The fatty acid chains are long chains of carbon and hydrogen atoms linked together. Lipids send signals with hormones. They also act as an energy storage. Saturated fat has single bonds and provides a condensed structure. Unsaturated fat is loosely packed to be easily processed and has double bonds. Trans fat, bad fat, also has double bonds. Saturated fats have single bond because no more hydrogen can bond to the tail, whereas lipids have double bonds such as trans and unsaturated can accommodate at least one more hydrogen. Proteins are structured, send signals, carry out chemical reactions, and movement. As well as transport and storage. Twenty amino acids make up proteins and are linked by peptide bonds. Single molecules in proteins are peptides. Proteins are made of small compounds of carbon called amino acids. When amino acid chains join, they make the protein's primary structure. After amino acid chains are formed, they fold into a helix and pleat. The tertiary structure is globular and sometimes form long fibers. Hydrogen bonds help proteins hold its shape. Some proteins form a 4th layer by combining with other proteins, much like transformer cars. Nucleic acids make up the genetic material like DNA and RNA. Nucleotides, monomers, link in long chains and are formed by a sugar base, nitrogenous base, and a phosphate molecule. A DNA double helix is where hydrogen bonds link nitrogenous bases together. Ribose is a monosaccharide that forms in a part of the backbone of RNA. It is also related in deoxyribose, which is found in DNA.